The Daily Code Snippet. Now we will discuss HTML forms. Forms are needed because there are instances where you need to collect information from your users. Forms allow users to input that information into your website, and that information is sent to a server to be processed. The form element is used to create that form, while the input elements are used to collect data from your users. The input element is used in conjunction with the type attribute, which specifies the different types of input fields. These include text fields, checkboxes, and buttons. Buttons can be submit buttons, but also things like radio buttons. The label element is used to tell the user what kind of information you want from them. Here is an example of a simple form to collect an email. You will notice some additional attributes which we will go over in future episodes. The value of email means that the user must enter a response that follows the format of an email, and we use the value attribute to give the user an example of what we are looking for them to input. Similarly, the value in the submit button input will be the text the user sees on the button. We have left the action attribute blank because we need to discuss this further. In a form that is collecting data, this needs to be specified so it is saved in a proper format and not lost. This code will display like this. If you attempted to enter a response not formatted in an email format, you will get an error message. You are seeing the default display of a form without specifying the styling. Presented by Designers Learn Code.